झाले वोटिंग
कमी झालं म्हणजे मे बी आम्ही जिखपाचे जिखले सीट वी हॅड वर्क फॉर द पीपल कमी जावपाक कारण मे बी हांव मातसो खंय कमी पडला असो बट एज फार एज आमचे सपोर्ट टू द पीपल वॉज देयर इट वॉज ऑलवेज देयर विथ अस.
कितल्या वोटांनी येयलो तूं?
हांव 20 की 21 मतांनी आयलो.
वॉर्ड म्हणजे
वॉर्ड नंबर 10.
हय.
थँक्यू.
कितल्या मतांनी
हांव 20 की 21 मतांनी आयलो.
तेच्या पयलीं एका मतांनी
हय, ते
आनी सेम कॅन्डिडेट आसलो. सो आतां तुजो मार्जीन वाडलो एक मतां.
वन बाय कितलो रे? ना ना
हे बेंटो
मार्जिन 100
कितले जाले टोटल आतां? एक सोडला एक सोडला कमी पडलो.
कॅम्पेनिंग करपाक दीस कमी पडले.
कॅम्पेनिंग सारकें आशिल्लें आमचें. आय विल नॉट ब्लेम कॅम्पेनिंग फॉर इट बट हांव बेस्ट 9 to 19. But as far as I'm happy with my result because this is my third time I won and thank you to all my
थर्ड टायम सो तुज्या वॉर्डान कितें अशे इशू आसा जे आजुनूय तूं जावंक नासले?
ना ना इश्यूज अशें कांय ना. इश्यूज म्हणजे ओन्ली विथ रिगार्ड्स टू मातशे पळोवंक गेल्यार अशे स्मार्ट सिटी आसा पण पीपल आर हॅपी विथ इट बिकॉज नाव एवरीथींग इज गोईंग ऑन प्लेस.
ऑपोजिशनाचो मुद्दो आसलो की प्रसाद लक्ष दिना एकदा मेळना वोटरांक मेळना. सो तेजेर तो मुद्दो घेवन ते ग्रावंड लेवल
अशें मेळना अशें ना पूण कितें आसा सम इश्यूज आर सेंट्रली आय कॅनॉट हँडल वीथ माय डिस्ट्रिक्ट एज फार एज जॉब्स आर कन्सर्न मातशे इश्यूज वर देर बट नाव
पोलिंग पार्टी आसा आपली प्रिन्सिपल बसा आमची पोलिंग पार्टी आसा
नेक टू नेक फायट आसलेली.
हय, हय.
तुका दिसतालें की येतले म्हणून किंवा कसो तुका ह्या
बाउंड्री पार्टी आमचे स्टाफ कोण आसा ते जाग्यार बसा आपली जागा सोडून
स्लायटली मोर मार्जिन लायक लास्ट टायम
म्हणजे मार्जीन चड पेक्षा आसली पूण तुका ती कमी पडली.
मातशी कमी.
सो तूं आतां हेजेर विचार करता.
येस ऑफकोर्स वी हॅव टू वर्क फॉर इट.
आतां थर्ड टायम
हय
म्युन्सिपालिटी.
येस
तूं आतां सिनियर म्हणून आसा मागीर आतां ती खुबशीं भुरगीं आसा सो तांकां तूं मार्गदर्शन कशें म्हणून दितलो?
See, now everybody in their own sense are very well educated people and they know how the council works because they have been working for Babush sir for a long time. So they know how to work and they are very good enough to help the people in their own wards.
थँक्यू.
विक्ट्री सांगता
21 मतांनी.
विक्ट्री सांगता विक्ट्री कबीर सो आता कबीर सो मोस्ट हे
कबीर यो कबीर
What do you like to victory?
हाउ यू सी यू विक्ट्री
तूं जायंट किलर असो जालो.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank the Almighty. Secondly, I'd like to thank all the voters of Ward number 9 for showing their support for me. I thank my team, I thank my supporters, I thank my friends, and I thank my family. A huge round and praise for my sister who has been the backbone of this campaign. We ran a very well organized campaign and the rest of the team has worked 100%. That's why this result is possible today. A massive thank you to Panjim MLA and our Revenue Minister Mr. Babush Monserrat. He has always shown faith in me. From 2011 he has been giving me a ticket to contest on his panel and this time he told me if there is one person who can defeat 7-time corporator Mr. Furtado, it is you, Kabir. So that is the confidence which he has put in me. That is the responsibility he entrusted me with. And today, the result is there for you all to see. We have got by a massive lead of 115 votes.
कबीर
Yes.
तुका अपेक्षा आसली की तूं इतको लीड काडटलो असो?
I was very confident. I was very confident of a very positive result. On 11th March, many of you all my friends from the media came and asked me for a bite. And I said, no, I will not talk. I did not talk at all during the campaign. But I said on the 13th of March, I will speak. Let my work do the talking. And I'm here before you all. Thank you to all my friends in the media. You all have always been very supportive of me. as I start now, this is going to be my 4th stint in the CCP. I look forward to your support.
कबीर
Yes.
एक विषय आसलो की पणजेचे थोडे जे वोटर म्हणजे आसा तेंच्यांनी आमी पणजेकार एक पॅनल जालो. दुसरी की
आम्ही पणजेकर न्हू, आम्ही म्हापशेकार हे न्हू, आम्ही पणजेकर सांग.
आमी पणजेकार म्हणून एक पॅनल जालो.
हय.
सो आनी तुजे जे वॉर्ड आसा ते
हय.
वॉर्डांतले थोडे अजुनूय एक हें करता की तेंची कंप्लेंट आसा की स्मार्ट सिटी खातीर आमकां त्रास जालो किंवा कॅसिनोचो विशय घेवन ते हें करता. सो तरी सुद्दां तूं जिखलो म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी तुका एक्सेप्ट केलो, हेजेर तुका कितें म्हणपाचें आसा?
See, the casino issue is something totally different. But yes, my personal opinion, one as a Ponjekar, two now as a corporator, I am totally, and I'm making this very clear, I am totally against the casinos in River Mandovi because they are only creating a nuisance in the city. That's my stand, and people know my stand. It's not been today or yesterday. It's been my stand from the day one. I have been a part of many agitations and many morchas and many things outside the casino. So my stand does not change as far as River Mandovi is concerned. Okay. The second point you asked me, I'm sorry, the other smart city. Yes, the smart city works and whatever were not as per. They were not delivered properly. The quality of work is not. But that issue has already been taken up by many of the other corporators.
So, Kabir, those who are opposing casino will be a part of it. Since there have been people opposing casino.
Very clear. I made my stand very clear. In River Mandovi, they should be out because there's no having yes and there's no yes and no. You cannot reach a middle part with them. They are creating a nuisance in the city. That's my opinion.
कबीर पणजेचो एमएलएचो तुका कितको सपोर्ट हें जालो?
150% support. Babush always gives me his 100. He believes in me. He entrusts me with responsibility, and he knows that I can deliver.
थँक्यू.
Thank you, my friends. God bless you all. 150.
टोटल वोट्स कितले आले? टोटल वोट्स
These are 3 of my very closest thing, but the entire team is there outside. So if one small round, I mean with my because the team deserves applause as well.
टोटल कितले वोट्स?
Total was 938. 938.
अशें एवढे पळय.
Thank you, Raj.
कबीर
150 lead.
मग पुढे कम
आता मॅरेथॉन धांवया बाबाची अल्ट्रा कॉइन जाले आमकां 3 म्हयन्याच्या. थँक्यू. Thank you. Look forward to everybody's support now.
याची किती झाली स्थानिक गोडीत